Good morning, catastrophic students. Today is Friday and the last day of our second week of e-learning. Hopefully everything's going great. I want to remind you that our video, the Red Line documentary on the use of chemical weapons in the 20th and 21st century is due today. There's the packet that goes along with it on Google Classroom. It's 9 pages, 68 questions. It is due today. However, as always, if you don't have it completed yet, try to get caught up this weekend and watch tomorrow or whenever you can find the time to get this completed. It is a little open-ended, but we do have more things that we're going to be starting on Monday. So if you are not caught up on this video, this weekend would be a great time to binge watch it and enjoy it. It is a fantastic documentary. Have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you again on Monday.